Let's take a look at level 4. I'll test this some more too. I mean, I can test this anytime really. I'm going to move up to level 4. Now we're getting out of the range of drinking water when we go up to level 4. We're more in the why do you even care range, but I suppose you might care if you want to soak your vegetables to get the pesticides off of them or something. So I should probably, while I'm doing the top for I probably should collect the acid water in another cup here, which I will do. Oops. Well, I'm letting it continue run just a second because I didn't get enough acid water really. The Athena seems to be collecting acid water a tiny bit faster than the Melody's acid water, and I'm not sure why that is. Alright, so here we've got on the right the Athena's level 4, and wow, 11.77. I've never ever seen it this high. Never seen the pH go up to 11.77. You can look at all my tests of all my water ionizers. It's never gone up that high. Now the ORP is really a moot point because you're not going to drink this water, but I'm just kind of looking at that. That's like 680 something or whatever. Alright, and you know, the Melody, I don't necessarily expect it to have, you know, quite as high. And it's, you know, again, it's a lower ORP here. And whoa, 11.75. Wow. I'm going to say the Melody and the Athena are very close today in my test today. So you could not go wrong, I don't think, in getting a Melody or in getting an Athena. Now the Athena is slightly better, and it's important to be better in the ORP. That's what I think is the most important. And so I think I'm going to just go ahead and stick with the Athena, even though it is $700 more. I just think that, you know, higher ORP is worth it. You know, the highest ORP I can get, the higher the better, and for the pH is worth it. You know, I'm just going to, you know, neither one of these levels really tested a low enough pH, I think, for most people to drink. So I'm going to go ahead and put both of these at level 2 and see what we come out with. They're both alkalines. Set at level 2 here. I'm trying to adjust the flow so that they're both about equal. Alright, so this is level 2, and I haven't tested the Athena against the Melody yet in level 2. Wow, I'm just like, what the heck? 11.52 pH. Just doesn't seem right. Really good ORP too. Let's see. Just don't really quite get this really fantastic ORP. Better than level 3? How is that possible? About 1145-ish. I mean 745-ish. And 11.4 pH. Wow. I know I have really high source water here in St. Louis. So I have installed an RO system to take some of the sodium and other things out of the water, because I just don't trust the St. Louis City water company, and I'd rather just remineralize it myself. But we have to actually, we just got the part for that today, by the way, so we'll probably be installing that if I can get my husband to help me with that tonight. But I'm just going to try level 1. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, oh, no, I didn't want purified water. Hold on. I know what I did. I accidentally pushed the wrong button over there. Alright, let me just try level 1, because I just am curious now, after levels 2, 3, and 4 all being so high pH. I'm just curious, what are we going to get at level 1? 11.16. Still a nice ORP though. Wow. Okay. And the Athena. And that got lower, 10.93. But look, that ORP is so good. Alright, well, anyway, that's very interesting. I guess, why don't I just, wonder what if I just tried the purified water. That's this button right here. And acidic, purified water. Alright, so purified should be giving me just St. Louis water that's filtered through the filters and not ionized. And it should be pretty much equal to the St. Louis tap water. So I'm just going to pour a glass of St. Louis tap water here and compare that to the 2 filtered waters. I'm sure this is going to be like 4 YouTube videos by the time I'm done here. Alright, filtered water. It is going to have a slight negative ORP, the filtered water, because it's going through that filter which has tourmaline in it. And the tourmaline is kind of like a portable water ionizer type idea. It will ionize slightly, which is pretty cool. Alright, and then 10.57, wow. Seems a little ionized. I just can't believe that. That's just really high if that's our St. Louis tap water. And 10.64. And again, just going through that tourmaline filter slightly and lightly ionizes that. So let's just take a look and see what our tap water is. Now this is the ORP. It's going positive now. And I'll let it settle down there for a second, but wow, 10 point. No wonder all of my pHs are so out of whack. Normally my St. Louis tap water is like 10.01 pH. I have never seen it this high pH. And the positive ORP looks like it's probably going to settle at around maybe positive 200 or something like that, which actually is better than usual. We usually have like about maybe a positive 300 ORP, but it's not too bad today for some strange reason. Maybe because the pH is so much higher. Okay, well, that's interesting. It came up to about a it's gonna settle in here at about a positive 200 source water ORP. Either that or my meter's just off anyway, which I think is probably the case as well.